Hello dear students, let us start a topic, volume of a combination of solids. So before jumping to the topic, we need to understand that what is the volume of a solid. What do we understand by the volume of a solid? Actually, volume is the amount of space that a solid will occupy, right? Let us recall some formulae used to find the volume of solids. Let us first start with a cuboid. This is our cuboid. Let us give it a name. And we are going to write some formulae just to revise the volume. So volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. It is going to be in cubic units since its volume. Let us find out. Let us have another shape. The next shape is a cube. So what is the volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is the cube of its edge. Yes, edge multiplied with itself 3 times will give us the volume of cube. Now let us write another. This is a cylinder, and for cylinder, what is the formula for volume? Yes, you must be knowing it, that the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where r is the radius of its base and h is the height of the cylinder. Okay, so these are the 3 important formulae. We have few more. Let us have few more shapes. This is a cone. And when we talk about cone, what is the formula for finding the volume of a cone? It is 1/3 the formula or 1/3 the volume occupied by a cylinder of the same base, of same radius, of same height. So its volume will be 1/3 pi r square h. It is just the 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder, provided the radius and the height of the cylinder is same as the radius and height of the cone. We have 2 more shapes, very important shapes. This shape is a sphere. So when we talk about a sphere, what is its volume? The volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, right? The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. And if we want to find the volume of a hemisphere, which is this is a hemisphere. So in case of hemisphere, as it is half of the sphere, its volume is also going to be half of the volume of a sphere. So its volume is 2/3 pi r cube. And all these volumes will be in cubic units. So this is the volume for finding this is the formula for finding the volume of a cuboid: length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And the volume of the cube is edge cube. The volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. And volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. One very important thing that we need to understand is, when we used to find the surface area of combination of solids, we used to sometimes ignore some surfaces of a solid which is covered or hidden by the surface of another solid. But it is not going to be the case in finding the volume of combination of solids. When we combine 2 solids, we need to find the sum or the addition of the volume of both the solids completely. None of the surfaces will be removed. It's about volume, so we will have to find the volume, full volume of both the solids, and we will be in the need of either adding them or subtracting them. So this is about the introduction of volumes of combination of solid.